also, I want you guys to check out Princess AG TV and Angie Cooking Spree. The description will be in the bottom. Let's get cooking. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome. This is an episode and it's called Dining with Joleisa. Alright, today I'm going to be making oxtail and white rice. Right, this is my oxtail seasoning and greens that I'm going to be putting in my oxtail. Over here you have your carrots, you have your chocha, you have your scallion, you have your crushed garlic. I cut up some Irish potatoes so it'll give it some body. I have bell peppers, I have onions, and I have thyme. Back here I have my oxtail seasoning. I'm going to use steak sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and over here is the browning sauce seasoning. And then I got my pimento seeds right here. Stay tuned and watch what's going down. Okay guys, I'm gonna get some pimento. I already have my meat washed and cleaned up. It's my browning sauce. They call it browning seasoning. It's my steak sauce. I put it to give it that steak flavor. Worcestershire. When I'm done with this, you guys are gonna say, "Oh my gosh!" Alright, this is the oxtail seasoning. Grab my thyme, my onions, my peppers, carrots, potatoes, chocha. I'm gonna try chocha next. I like chocha. And my garlic. Now, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I'm gonna put this on the pressure cooker. You know what? I'm gonna try some of this. You guys, everybody in Jamaica use it. I'm not gonna call the name. You know, because I'm not promoting them. There you go. I'm not promoting them. I got the pimento seeds in there already, but I'm gonna sprinkle a little black pepper regardless. I'm gonna put a little bit of browning seasoning in it. Remember, this is not browning, this is browning seasoning. Ready like Freddy. This is what it looks like inside. This is what it looks like, and remember folks, I'm gonna be pressuring this. So, you know it's not going to take long. Okay, this is what I'm going to put in the oxtail. It's butterbean. But what I did was, I got them out the can, put them in a strainer, and I washed them because I don't like the stuff that's inside the can. So I just put them in the strainer and I washed them. So this right here is what's going to go inside the oxtail. Alright, let me give you a little peek of what's going on down here. I have to open it up, turn it. See? Cooking down in its own juice. This has a way to go. But just wanted to show you what's going on. Alright, cover's on. And okay, this is the end of cooking the oxtail. It's nice and soft. Meat's very, very tender. Okay. Now stay tuned for the rice. Okay, after 20 minutes. Ooh. Feels soft already. This is what it looks like. Ooh, it's getting steamed up. Almost done. Meat is real tender already. So, got my beans. Put my beans in. And stir. This is only 20 minutes. And the meat is tender already. I'm gonna let this cook down to about another 15 more minutes because I'm gonna have it with falling off the bone. Look at that, nice and tender. You see how much juice this thing creates? That's what I like. Alright, I'm gonna let it cook down for about 20 minutes more. No, I would say 15. That may be too long. 10 minutes. Keep watching. I got the pressure cooker on. It's on 20 minutes. Stay tuned. This is the end result. Joleisa, I want to thank you for inviting me to Dining with Joleisa.